Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a traditional Vellai Kurma, the white kurma served with chapati, poori or parotta. It is rich and finger-licking good. Here is how to do it. First we will make a masala paste or the Vellai masala from which this kurma gets its name. Add some fresh shredded coconut to a heavy-duty mixie. Add in the cashews. Add in some fennel seeds and some green chilies. Add in a little bit of cinnamon, a couple of cardamom and just one clove. I like to make this kurma a little spicy so it cuts the richness from the cashews and the coconut. Add a cup of water and grind this mixture to a smooth paste. A heavy-duty mixie is preferred for making this paste. Make sure to grind this mixture to a very smooth texture. Our masala paste is now ready. Set this aside. Heat vegetable oil in a pan and add in some cumin seeds. Add some fennel seeds and some curry leaves. Saute for a few seconds for the spices to become aromatic. Add in the chopped onion and saute for a minute. Add in the salt at this stage and continue sauteing till the onions are soft. At this stage, add in the ground Vellai masala paste. Add in a cup of water to the mixie. Wash the mixie and add the water back to the pan. You do not want to waste that precious masala. Get every bit of it in the pan. Mix everything well to combine. Cover the pan with the lid and let it simmer for a few minutes. Make sure to cook on a low flame as cooking on high flame will make the kurma splutter all over and you do not want that. After a few minutes, the masala will become thick. Keep stirring to avoid from scorching at the bottom. When the masala is thick, add in a cup of water to dilute. We will need about 2 cups of mixed vegetables for this recipe and here is how I cooked them. Add the veggies with 1/4 cup of water to a pressure cooker. Use about 2 cups of vegetables. Potatoes and peas adds a nice texture to the kurma and I always add them along with other vegetables. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Use whatever you have in your fridge. Cook the vegetables for 3 whistles and immediately release the pressure from the cooker so the vegetables are not overcooked. Alternatively, you can also steam the vegetables, it's your choice. Add the cooked vegetables to the kurma and mix well to combine. Let it simmer for a minute more. Our kurma is now cooked and ready. At this stage, add in juice of a lime. Adding lime juice is very important as it brightens the flavors of the kurma. Finally, add in some coriander leaves and mix everything well to combine and we are done. Our Vellai Kurma is now ready. Serve with chapati, poori or parotta and it is so delicious. Do try it at home. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, it's me Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.